Vani, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science from Dr. Ms.R.Vani. The last lecture series we have seen the basic art of graphic designing and how it is useful and uh, what are the purposes we are using and how it is effective. We have seen in this lecture series we are going to see what are the type of graphic design. Here these are the following types of graphic design which you are going to see. The first one is visual identity graphic design, which mainly focuses on creating a brand identity. It is for creating a visual effects for creating a brand identity. The next one is marketing and advertising graphic design. It is used to create a visual content to attract, engage, and motivate audience to take action. The next one is publication graphic design, which involves the publishers and editors to create a layout and visual elements such as for creating a printed material such as books, newspaper, magazine, report, etc. The next one is packaging graphic design. Packaging graphic design is it is used it is a crucial one. It serves as a marketing tool for a which also protects the product. The next one is motion graphic design. Motion graphics, which brings visual effects through animation and audio, which can be implemented in advertisements, animated logos, and explainer videos. The next one is environmental graphic design. In environmental graphic design, it combines both interior and architectural graphic design, which enhance the way that people can interact with public spaces. The next one is illustration for graphic design. It creates the artwork that implement a primary visual representation of various applications. The next one is user interface graphic design. UI design focuses on how an user creates a design based on for software, websites, and applications. The goal is to create an interface that are easy to use and it can be placed graphics using buttons, icons, typographic color schemes, and a responsive design. The next one is typographic graphic design, which involves in choosing interfaces, typefaces, adjusting font size, spacing letters to improve readability and visual appeal. The next one is infographics, which is used to represent a visual representation of information, data, and a knowledge based on a content which can be easily understand and clearly ideate the concept. The next concept is exploring grids and guidelines. Through grids and guidelines, we can fix columns and rows and grouped into a rectangle format to set a break apart. We can create a grid outward point which holds shift button that can create along a square cells which can hold using control button. It is used to place a drawing in a window in an object placement. It also gives guidelines on how to use a grid format, and there will be three types of guidelines which represent horizontal, vertical, and angle, and how we can place the grid in an object and a window application, and we can hide them anytime. We can also use it as guides. Here the Corel Draw, it is used as a vector graphics editor, which is also developed by Corel Draw Corporation. In order to use a bitmap image as well as other graphic related programs, it is mainly used for serve digital painting platform and desktop publishing suite, and it is commonly used for production art and sign marking, which can be used as laser cutting and print on demand and various purpose in other industries. These are the following things we have seen in CorelDRAW. Uh, we can see how the objects are created and in CorelDRAW and how it is executed in the next series. Thank you.